Hey, this is Ankur Shukla here, and in this video, I want to walk you through the front end as well as the back end of the DigiStore Builder website. All right, so once you have launched your store, as I showed you in the last video, this is how your online store slash website looks like. All right, so you have your logo at the top, you have the top menu over here, you have the headline and the sub headline, you have some banners which are sliding in and animating that looks beautiful. You have some shortcut buttons that take you to various other sections of the site. You have some featured courses here that you can instantly buy by clicking these buy now buttons. You have the headline and the description of each course. You have some more courses here. So basically, this site comes preloaded with 6 courses, 6 ebooks, and 6 software products. This is the pro version, right? The basic version will have less, but I want to show you the pro version because this has a lot more features. And if you want to upgrade, you can do that on this page itself. All right. So this is your site, and you have some software products here at the in the middle part of the page. Again, you can click the buy now button and go over to PayPal and buy them, and they will be instantly delivered. Okay. And then there are the featured ebooks. And then after that, at the bottom, you have some testimonials. Now, these are something you can completely edit from your admin area, and you can add a different image, a different text, and different names. So you can take them from your existing customers or any new customers you get. You also have the logo showing up here at the bottom and an info description here about your business. You have some social links over here, and you have the contact info over here that you can edit. All these can be changed from the backend, from the admin panel, and I will show you how you can do that. All right. So let me just walk you through the different sections here. So we have the about page over here, and we have some introduction about this. You have some banners here. So these banners are useful if you have some other businesses that you want to talk about and you want people to go there. So you can put the banners over here for your different sites. These are generally 250 by 250 pixel in size, so make sure you upload the same size banners. However, the instructions for that are present in the admin area, so just follow that. All right, so write about your business over here from the admin area, and I'll show you where you can do that. So this is your admin panel here, and then I will show you what you can do from every page. So every page over here has its own edit page, right? So you can edit the home page from here, you can edit the about page from here. So this is your main headline for the site. If you want to change that, you can completely do that over here. Click download and grow your business. So we can just maybe change that instantly. Click download and grow your business. Get access to the best courses, ebooks, and software products in one click. Right, so I've changed the headline. Now there are SEO title keywords. So basically the site comes fully SEO friendly. So you can change the SEO title. So you can say my online digital store, and you can write some keywords here, and you have some SEO description that you can add. And now in the pro version, you can add up to 6 homepage banners. These banners can basically be promotions for some offer that you want to run on your site, or you actually can promote some new courses that you're launching, or you're adding some new software products you have added. You can feature all of that over here. Now these images need to be 1000 by 300 in size. So just make sure they are 1000 by 300 in size, and just upload them in that way. You can also select up to 6 featured courses, 6 ebooks, and 6 products that are the software products to feature on the site. So these are things you have already added to your site, and these come preloaded, and then you can probably select them from the drop down over here. Okay, so you can change their order if you want. You can, when you add more courses, you can do that as well. So if you want to increase the number of courses you want to add on your site, you can just go over to the edit settings page in the main settings area. Over here, you can basically write how many courses you want. Okay, so you can just say I want to have 6 courses. One second, I think I flipped over something. Okay, so now if I want to have, let's say, 10 courses, 10 products and 10 ebooks to be added to my site. I'll just increase the total number over here. If I want more services, I'll just increase that number over here as well. So let me just make it 9 for now so it looks more uniform. All right, so you can just edit that over here, and then those number of boxes will show up in the respective places in these pages. Okay, so basically they will show up here. If you want to add more banners, you can select up to 5 banners. If you want to add more testimonials, you can add up to 5 testimonials, let's say. And then you can also change the color scheme of the site from here. So if I want to, let's say, make this a little bit bluish, I will go ahead and do this here, and then I will save this, right? Also, my secondary color is basically what happens when I hover over, sort of thing. So I can basically make that also a bit more bluish. Okay, so for now, let me just go ahead and see if I refresh this site, what happens. So you see that my site has become blue in shade, and this is what it looks like. The buttons have changed, everything has changed, so my entire site looks a bit better and different. And you will see that all these top menu items have also kind of changed, and it looks it goes into the blue theme. Okay, so it kind of changes the color and feel of your site by changing the color. Coming back here, you can change the about section. So this is the about section, which comes at the bottom of every page. So this is the section you can edit from the main settings area. This is your contact email. So this contact email is used again at the bottom of the page over here, and your other contact info as well. So this contact info is also used in the contact us page. So when people try to contact you from the contact page, any email that is going from this email form actually goes over to this email address over here. So make sure you have this right, and this is also used for your login purposes to the admin area. All right, this is your copyright text. You can change this and make it DigiStore Builder, let's say. You can add your Facebook page URL over here. You can add your Twitter URL and your Google Plus URL over here if you want, and then hit save. So this will save your main settings area. All right. So then this is coming back to the website. We have the home page here, and this is basically, you can change these banners as I showed you. From these banners can be changed from the home page area. These are the banners, and we have just 3 coming up, but you can add 3 more. You can change which courses can be featured here in the featured courses section. So you can basically select them from the drop down over here. And you can also do the same for ebooks and products as well for the home page. All right, so that takes care of the home page part. If you want to edit all the testimonials over here that are showing up, you can go ahead into the testimonials section over here in the left menu. So here you can basically type in the name, the image, and the testimonial content for every testimonial. So here you have a lot of these showing up. About 5 of these are showing up. So you can basically update them, and then you can have them show up in this area of the site. Okay. Next, let me show you. So I've already shown you the about page. This about page can be edited from here. So go into the edit about page section in the admin area. You can write the title, the subtitle, the content title, right? And then you can write the text here that goes on to the about page over here. All right. And once you edit that, it will show up, and these are the SEO title settings. So this is again SEO friendly. You can have your own SEO title, keywords, and descriptions for the about page. You can also have banners over here. So if you want to add 2 banners over here, you can add these here, and the link. So this link is what happens when the banners are clicked. So let's say over here I have Google for the first banner, and I have Yahoo for the second banner. When I click on this second banner, it will take me to yahoo.com, I suppose. Let's see if that happens. And yes, that is happening. It basically took me to Yahoo over here. All right. So I will go back to my site, but this is how the banners work, and they basically are used to promote your other sites or other businesses if you have any, right? Next is let's go back to the admin area. Now let me show you the products page. So we have in the top menu, we have the products pages over here. All right. So these are the software products that we sell. And this basically has the headline, the content here, and it shows all the products, not just the featured ones, but all the products you have on your site. So we made these 9, but I have not added any content here. And that's why these empty boxes are showing up. So if I just go back to the settings area over here and make them 6, it will look fine. All right. But if I want to add them, if I want to add more products, this is what I do. I go into the products page, and then I can edit the intro from here. I can edit the SEO title and everything. I can add more products. So this is basically the product name. This is the image. This is the price of that product I want to charge for this. And this is the delivery page. So this is the page that they get sent to once they buy this product. And this is also preloaded from our site. So we maintain all these pages, and you can change them if you want to, but the preloaded products that come with the site, you must use these pages because that is where we give them the products that they have bought. So your customers will be sent to this page and they will be able to download the product immediately. And you have the image here, of course, and the size of each image is 333 by 333. Okay. So, and this is the description. So since I've made these as 9 products, and but this came with only 6, I have the chance to add some more. So I can just say product. I can just say here it is, Facebook for business, price $19. Download link, I'll just put google.com for now because I don't have one. And I can add an image over here if I want. Now recommended image size is 333 by 333, but let me see what happens if I add a smaller image. It could break, but I don't really want to do that. But let's see. This is an image I have, so I'll just add this for now. And this is the description of this new product called Facebook for Business. You can learn a lot about Facebook for marketing. Grow your business. All right, so you can write this and then you can do the same for 2 more products over here and then hit save. So when you do that, this will update the products page over here and add a new product to the site. Okay, so I'll go ahead to the products page and hit refresh, and we will see what happens. So you see this Facebook for Business product page came up, and this is now part of the site, and it's popped up to the products page over here. Now, if you want to show this on the home page, you can go into the home page editor and then select that from the drop down. Right, so I'll just click on buy now, and this will take me to PayPal to charge me $19 for this thing. All right, so this is what happens, and this is how people will buy from your site. And once they have bought, they will be sent to the download page automatically. Right, so this is the products page, and then we have the ebooks page in the same way, which shows a bunch of ebooks here. So we have 6 ebooks that come preloaded. Now I made the count to 9, so I am yet to add 3 more. But these 6 ebooks come preloaded with the site, and you can edit these things from the edit ebooks page. So right now we are charging $9 for every ebook. If I want to say $12.95 for every ebook, I'll just go ahead and change this to $12.95 for every ebook, and the price should change. So let me just do that for the first 3 ebooks only and then show you what happens. So here when I refresh, you can see the first 3 ebooks are $9 right now, but when I refresh, this will show $12.95 for each ebook. All right, so this is how you basically edit the prices for any ebook you want. This will also change on the home page, because since the same ebooks are featured on the home page as well, it will also change on the home page, and you will see here the price is also $12.95 on the home page as well. All right, so this is what you can change the courses, the products, the ebooks. Now in the courses page as well, you have all these courses that show up, and these are already there in the site. There are 6 courses that come with the site, and then there are 3 more which can be added. Now these 3 are the ones I added, but I did not put in the details yet, and that's why it's showing blank right now. But when you install your site, these will not show up until you go ahead and change the count in the main settings. All right, so this is how you can edit the products, the courses, and the ebooks pages. Now let's come to the free downloads. Now free downloads is something new we have added here, and it's very, very good because it's important to build your email list. For any online marketer, building an email list is very, very important because that is your biggest asset. So we have already added a free download option here, which gives you a free product that people can download once they enter their name and email. So if I enter my name and then I enter my email address, it will automatically send me to a download page after this. So this basically is the download page for the YouTube marketing course that we are giving away for free. And you can see in the admin area, this is the headline that you can edit. This is the sub headline of the course. You can add a disclaimer text, and this is the delivery page of that course. You can also change the layout of the page. This is only there for the pro version, and this is the text on the download button that you saw. All right, so this was the page that we went to. Let me show you back again. Okay, so this was the page, and then you can change all these things. You can change the image, you can change what comes on the download button, and you can also change the layout of this page. And you can see here the leads that are generated here will get added. So if I refresh this over here, you will see that my email address has been added over here as well. So this is what I entered just now. So my email has already been added, and I can also download all these leads in just one click in a CSV file. All right. So you will see that you can download these leads and then import them anywhere you want. You can do that with Aweber GetResponse, import them into your email system anywhere you want, or just contact them through Gmail, right? With the pro version, you can actually store unlimited leads here and export them anytime you want. You also have three different layouts. So let's say if I choose this layout for the landing page, it will change the look of the free download page. So let me go back here and show you. This is what the page looks like right now. And if I hit refresh, it will change the look of the page. So if you want to try different looks for your site, you can do this, and it is completely up to you what kind of layout you want for the download page. This is a pro version feature only, so I would recommend that you try this out. Okay. And next we will go on to see the services page. Now this services page is also a premium feature with the pro version. This lets you edit the SEO title and the page intro. Let me show you what the services page is about. So this is the services page over here in the top menu on your site. This lets you sell custom services. Now this is great because, apart from selling low ticket products like ebooks, you also can upsell those customers into services. So let's say a person buys a Facebook marketing ebook from your site. You can obviously sell them a Facebook fan page design and setup service for $97 or $200 or even $500. It's completely up to you what you want to charge. Okay, so you can go into the services page over here. You can change the intro text, which is basically this text over here that shows up. And you can also change every service that you want to offer, edit their image. You can charge any amount you want. So right now I have the Facebook design service for $97. If I want to charge $297 for this, I can do that. I'll just go ahead and update this over here, and it will basically show up on the service page. So I'll just hit refresh over here, and you will see that now my service is now $297, right? So you are completely free to change what services you want to offer and what amount you want to charge. The best part about this is that you don't have to do any of this work. So we will give you a list of outsourcers that are really cheap. So you can outsource this work to them, and that work will be done at a very, very low price. So you can charge $297 for the Facebook fan page work, but it might only cost you $50. So you get to pocket the difference as your profit, and that is where this is very, very cool. All right, so you can actually make more money by adding more of these services to your site, and then actually upsell your customers into these these done for you services. All right, so there are 6 services that we have added here, and we have all the outsourcing people that you can outsource this to. And if you want to add more services, you can just go ahead and edit them on this page and then add more services over here. All right. I already showed you the testimonials page that you can edit, and these will show up on the home page. You also have the contact page, so you can actually edit the contact info here, which is basically, let me show you. This is your address that shows up on the contact page. This is the SEO title and keywords for the contact page, right? There are also legal pages over here. So we have the legal pages at the bottom of every site, right? So bottom of every page, we have these terms of use, privacy policy, disclaimer. So if you want to change any of the content of the legal pages, you can do that over here. You can change the terms of use, privacy policy, cookie text, the disclaimer text, anything you want, okay? We also have another premium feature in the Pro version. This is called social settings. Now, this is also something that we call the social imitator. Now, a lot of travel sites and a lot of deal sites use these kind of things, and I've noticed that they work very well in getting people off the fence and taking action. It is when people see that there are other people on the site and taking action, right? So when you enable this, let's say that there are two modes of this. One is the social proof and the other is the product alerts, okay? So we'll enable the social proof module over here, and I will show you what happens. So once I enable this, I will go back to the home page of my site, and you will see what happens. I start seeing these pop-ups which says 7 customers have already purchased this in the last 24 hours. And after a while, I will see another pop-up which says something else. 17 people are viewing this page. So basically this shows that there is activity happening on your site, and there are other people on the site. They are trying to buy products. They are doing something. 13 customers have already purchased this in the last 24 hours. So, you know, all these things are showing up, and it kind of makes people jump the fence and take action, right? 23 people are viewing this page. So, you know, all these things are very helpful to actually, when you have a few people coming to your site, it makes them feel that they're not alone and there are other people taking action, and so they will buy as well. Now, this is completely an imitation, so it's not coming back from real data. So it's completely up to you if you want to use this feature or not. But I've seen a lot of bigger sites use this, when it comes to flight tickets or hotel rooms and all those things. So if you want to use these things, you are free to do that. All right. The other option is the product alerts, right? So what product alerts will do is basically it will show pop-ups regarding any random product picked from your site. So this will basically show. So let me quickly enable that and then refresh. So what will happen is it will pick up a product and then give you a pop-up about that. So let me see what happens in a minute. Okay, so someone just purchased Simple Site Booster from this site 52 minutes ago. So this is completely random. It picks up a random product, a random time, and then shows this pop-up so that people think that there are products are being purchased from this site. Someone just purchased Bitcoin mining guide from the site 5 minutes ago. This basically shows that there are active sales happening, makes people come in the buying mode, and then makes them take action. All right. So again, this is completely optional, and you can turn this off. And if you want to use this, you are free to use this. This is the social settings feature, which basically helps you make more sales, and it's completely up to you how you want to use this. All right. This works on ranges, so these are certain. So if you want to show how many purchases are being made, you can put this range and the software will pick up randomly any number from that range, right? That's how this works. So this is basically the complete walkthrough of the DigiStore builder. One more very important thing before I leave you is the SSL feature. So when you go on down to the edit settings page over here, this is the main settings of the site, you will see an option to HTTPS on or off. Now this will be off by default because I don't know if your site has HTTPS. But if you want to use HTTPS, you need to have a digital SSL certificate added to your site. Now, to do that, you need to talk to your web hosting, and some web hosting companies offer that for free nowadays, but some will charge you a little bit of money for it, maybe $5 or $10. So talk to them and get the SSL certificate added to your site. Only once they confirm that they have added that to your site, you can come here and turn this on and then hit save. All right. Do not turn this on before the SSL certificate has been added or you have confirmed that you do have SSL on your site already enabled. Okay. because if you turn it on without having an SSL certificate, you will have a problem. All right. So this is very, very important, and make sure you do this after you talk to your web hosting company. And I hope that you like the software, use the software to make more sales and make more money. If you have if you have any questions or need help, we have a support option under this video, so feel free to contact us on the support desk for your help. We are also offering done for you site setup. So if you have any trouble setting up your site, we will take care of that for you and do the done for you site setup as well. All right. So just make sure you use this and make money from this. And if you need any help, contact us. Thanks. Bye.